Right guys, we're just going to be in and watching fireworks now. Enjoy. Come on, Dad. You're just going.
They've run out of hot chocolate.
Oh, you're just going to be at the top of this roller bricks. I just hope it has enough charge. Okay. Yep. Huh? Enjoying the fireworks, just going to zoom in a bit more, and there we go, so I've got the people in the back now. Let's see.
Trying to get the big ones, aren't you?
I hope they're enjoying this. Oh, there's even like... Let's go down there.
Hey? She's got it set up so you can actually see the big ones, remember? Oh, right.
No.
Just Danny.
Fireworks.
No, that's not going to go bad enough what they're doing now.
You need to zoom out a bit.
You want to go in or out?
You need to go there.
I know, but I'm just thinking of the big ones when they go up. You can be looking upwards, aren't you?
I think the viewers liking this. If they do, watch. Oh.
You want them focused on where you're going. Okay?
Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's going on?
Go back and go in slowly.
Oh, seriously, what's going on? The fireworks are just dots now.
I don't know, because you're going in too far.
Please fix this. Fix it.
Danny?
I don't think I go like this. Seeing just dots and dots. Being honest, this is not edited.
Oh, his battery's running out. Don't run round no. Watch your fireworks.
Uh-oh, it's running out of charge.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I have to end this video here. And bye!
Hold on. Just leave it until it runs out.
We've got the... Right. We have to say, because then it's going to go out.
Yeah, it will save when it runs out.
So
Let it run out.
Right. So if this runs out, we'll keep it going as long as it will go. Ooh, that was big. Can't wait to see the finale. Oh, Dad, it's gone again.
No, it.
Well, I guess it's ended. And we're going to say bye.